Welcome back. The Jharkhand elections have been dominated by Raj has sparked a major controversy with a provocative statement of his own. During a rally, Mir promised that if Congress wins the upcoming election, they will offer subsidized LPG cylinders at 450 rupees to all residents of Jharkhand to identify infiltrators. BJP has to explain who infiltrators are. Mir affirmed that Congress would not discriminate between religions, whether it be Hindu, Muslims and infiltrators when it comes to welfare schemes.
और हम हिंदू देखा जाएगा ना मुसलमान देखा जाएगा ना घुसपैठिए देखा जाएगा तो ना कोई और चीज देखा जाएगा। जो भी झारखंड वासी है वो किसी भी सोच से हो किसी भी तबके से हो उसको 450 रुपए में गैस सिलेंडर दिया जाएगा। ये हमारा प्रोग्राम है।
While promising to take strong action if they win, BJP leaders including Union Home Minister Amit Shah and Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath have been campaigning on a platform rooting out infiltrators from Jharkhand. In their rallies, they vowed to introduce laws to reclaim
बोली आदिवासी बहनों की जमीन हड़प लिए है। मैं उनको भी कहना चाहता हूं, घुसपैठियों को भी कान खोल कर सुन लो। हेमंत सरकार का समय समाप्त हुआ। घुसपैठियों पीस भेजने का काम भारतीय जनता पार्टी करेगी। हम एक ऐसा कानून लेकर आएंगे जो कानून भेद से आदिवासियों की जमीन हड़पे है।
ये सब के सब लूट खसोट करने के लिए आए हैं। झारखंड की धरती को यहाँ की बेटी, यहाँ की रोटी और यहाँ की माटी की सुरक्षा पे सेंध लगाने ये घुसपैठ नहीं होने देनी है। ये लाल सलाम वालों को धक्का देके बाहर करना है।
The second phase of Jharkhand's assembly elections will take place on November 20th and the outcome will be determined on November 20th. Thank you for joining us. Mr. Ravi Srivastava, first to you. Did Congress have to do a self-goal right before voting? Nothing short of a self-goal this is.
Good evening, Sneha. I don't think so that there is any self-goal kind of a thing. He has made his statement very connivance with the government of the state or center. Nobody can enter because all the border security force, the Indian army, it means they are suspecting those people who are manning our borders. They are allowing infiltrators to come inside. Right? In Modi, we called infiltrator. I think it is a sarcastic kind of a statement made by the Congress leader because he means that there are no infiltrators. I am giving it to Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, Isai, everyone. The cylinder at 450 rupees. And if BJP is
so he could have just stopped there. That's my point, Ravi Srivastava. Saying what the BJP has been saying till now, that the Soren Sarkar has only been backing infiltrators, going soft on infiltrators, ensuring that infiltrators are able to take away land. This is what BJP has been arguing, and now you're kind of justifying what the BJP has been saying in its political narrative.
BJP has the government only if somebody can enter. Otherwise, there is no infiltrator. Everybody is a citizen of India. And they are entitled for all benefits which the government gives. So there is no question at all. I mean, this is sarcastic
please
statement
respond.
that government is permitting those people to come inside.
Party line of the Congress, the party has maintained this line for the last many decades. They did the same thing in West Bengal. They invited the Bangladeshi infiltrators because of their political gain. And then the baton was transferred to CPI. CPI maintained the infiltrators because they had a vote bank over there. And again, Mr. Ravi Srivastava said that this statement by Mr. Mir was made in sarcasm. So this is a matter of national security.
Who is an infiltrator according to you? Kaun hai infiltrator? I'm asking you this question because still too much about infiltrators, it is not even there in the manifesto of BJP in Jharkhand. So manifesto mein dal dete sir.
No, Sneha, if that is not part of manifesto in 2024, that doesn't mean that that is not a part of BJP strategy. That was part of a
But that's exactly
there is
what
no
you're
change in
doing.
the party line.
2014, it was in the BJP manifesto. 2019, it was in the
That is
BJP
what I'm
manifesto.
saying.
What happened in 2024?
Yeah, that is what I'm saying. BJP, its leaders, the party has been very clear on the issue of infiltration. And BJP as a party thinks that
High Court, the government, even in the Jharkhand High Court, there's been no evidence given. Ravi Srivastava, please respond.
See, I think this gentleman from the BJP should know. What are you talking about infiltration? You have given an exile to the Prime Minister of the Bangladesh.
Infiltration, Ravi Srivastava.
No,
How is
that's
that
also-
infiltration? How is
No,
this?
that's
How is it
also-
remotely close to infiltration?
That's the analogy. Like that only they bring Bangladeshis here. They call them infiltrators here. This is how they bring them with the open arms. They bring them from the border and then
You are telling the BJP that who is infiltrator, they have no clue. If we can get the BJP panelists also on screen, please. So you're telling the BJP panelist that you have no clue who's an infiltrator, but the Congress leader goes and says that we will give all the gas cylinders, everything to infiltrators also.
they call somebody infiltrator, it is brought by them only. It's in the connivance of the government only. So they are now citizens of India. There is no one infiltrator here. And that was a sarcastic comment. Even infiltrators, if it is there, I will give the cylinder for 50 rupees to them also. I am saying to everybody for 400 rupees and win everybody's vote. Why don't you do it? So don't try to polarize the election at this
Binay
stage.
Singh.
There is no use.
Binay Singh, I have a question for you. So this infiltration is also something that the BJP has raised politically huge, not only across the country, but the government is mum. What happened? The results were not according to the government, so they are not infiltrators. Binay Singh.
Sneha, the point which I am making that the government is not mum. In the last many years, in this election also, you'll find all the BJP leaders, including the Assam Senator to Sheikh Hasina, that is a diplomatic issue, sir. And the issue of infiltration, that is a
This is also
issue which
diplomacy.
concerned with national security. And BJP is very clear on the issue of this national security issue of infiltration, that these infiltrators today or when BJP comes
Binay Singh,
into
my
absolute
simple
power.
question that you're not asking, forget about, I mean, now you're saying they'll set up a subcommittee in Jharkhand. They will ensure that the infiltrators are sent out and they will not have any place in Jharkhand. NRC may you even have an entire, in Assam you have.
Neha, let me make it clear. It is just not about Jharkhand and Assam. Whole of the country, BJP has the same line that in this country, in this geographical area of this country, not a single infiltrator is allowed.
What
And
is the
we
use
had
of the
a very
line,
clear
sir? You
cut
have not identified the
Sneha,
data that how
the
many
real-
infiltrators are there.
deporting
Show the
them.
data, sir.
The friends of Ravi Srivastava, the organizations.
But Ravi
who were
Srivastava,
linked
so
to
here's the thing, Ravi
Srivastava,
Srivastava, we may say, I mean,
they don't
obviously
support
there are
them
issues
on
over
their-
this, there are concerns over this, West Bengal, so on and so forth. But itna hi problem hai, if it is so objectionable, why make it the center? I mean, you can't use it for political gains. That's exactly what BJP is saying. Congress is using infiltrators, even if they, even if you claim that infiltrators will have all the rights and they will not be left out from any welfare schemes. A simple question that everybody is going to ask: why should their tax money be paid for infiltrators?
Exactly. I said the same misstatement I made. There are no infiltrators. There are none. The infiltrators and others.
Infiltrators and others does not mean even if there is infiltrators. So Ravi Srivastava, would you agree to one thing? Congress is being very naive. I'm saying that what? Is it being naive or is it being Chanakya? You can answer that question because you have seen what's happened to the BJP.
When you are contesting for an election.
Supporting the infiltrators is also fair according to Mr. Ravi Srivastava.
No, but then removing them also is not your job. Is your job. You have not done it.
Binay Singh, please respond.
No,
You are
sir,
supporting the infiltrators.
Binay Singh to respond. Binay Singh, please respond.
Sneha, give me just 2 minutes without interruption. There was a strategy of Pakistan. It was called 2K. 2K means Khalistan and Kashmir. A third K was added to that. That was the third K was Kishan. Changing the demography and changing the dividend of the population, changing the demography and posing a threat to national security. This was a ISI conspiracy. This was called Operation Pin Code. So this makes a whole 3K. Kishanganj, Khalistan, and
If you and the BJP have all this sense of national security, why not implement something that
Why
should be
did
your
you not-
left hand's play? Binay Singh, you realize the irony in what you're talking. You are saying it's a national security problem.
Yes,
And
yes,
this
it
should be
is.
a CAA,
Yeah.
and then you have this entire thing of NRC that's completely on the back burner. Government, I think it was in 2021 that it last spoke
Neha.
in the parliament. Any response? 10
CAA,
seconds
NRC,
response from
and
both
the
of you. I need to wind
NPR,
up.
This
Binay
all
Singh,
three
10
are
seconds.
buried forever now.
You
I
cannot
am-
expect 100% resolution on this issue in a single day or a single year. It will
Sir,
take time. That is
our
what I'm
government
saying.
has been having a historic mandate, and you're asking for time, sir. Historic mandate. This was
I'm not
a
asking for
cornerstone
time.
for manifestos in two
I am
elections.
not asking.
Ravi Srivastava, but Congress being caught on the back foot.
No,
The
the CAA, the NPR, the NRC, all three are buried forever. Nothing will happen. You are the
Okay,
most
fine. I think we are totally out of time. Binay Singh as well as Ravi Srivastava, thank you very much for joining us.
Will not remain in this country.
People of Jharkhand, break. On the other side, my colleague Shreya Upadhyay takes over.